Good morning, everyone. It is now approximately 11:04, and we are on the record. Today is February 24th, 2026, and we are at 100 Church Street in New York City on the 20th floor. Welcome to today's meeting of the New York City Business Integrity Commission. This is a public meeting, which was duly noticed for today's date at this location at 11 a.m. We have a court reporter here who is taking down what is being said, and this meeting is also being videotaped. The video recording will be posted on BIC's website following the conclusion of this meeting. My name is Olga Statz, and I am Deputy Commissioner and for Legal Affairs and General Counsel for the Commission. And I am joined by the following Commission members: Elizabeth Crotty, Commissioner and Chair of the Business Integrity Commission; Frank Marshall, Assistant Commissioner of the Department of Sanitation, representing Acting Commissioner Javier Lujan; Acting Commissioner Christopher Ryan of the Department of Investigation via video conference; Commissioner Samuel Levine of the Department of Consumer and Worker Protection via video conference; Senior Deputy General Counsel Limor Rosen of the Department of Small Business Services, representing Commissioner Dinishal Gross via video conference; and George Pietro Pinto, Deputy Inspector, New York City Police Department, representing Police Commissioner Jessica Tisch. And I thank all of them for being here today. I note for the record that some of the representatives of the Commission are joining remotely today, and they're doing so per the ongoing disaster emergency issued by Governor Hochul on February 21st, 2026. This executive order permits attendance to public meetings by video conference. And it is under those circumstances that the video presence is permitted under Microsoft Teams here today. Today, the Commission will take up the matter of staff recommendations for denial of certain license and registration applications. The Commission notes that these recommendations were submitted to the members of the Commission for review approximately 1 week before this meeting. The first matter under consideration is Monarch Waste Solutions Incorporated, which had applied for a license to operate a trade waste business. The staff has recommended denial of that license application for the following independently sufficient grounds. Number one, the applicant and its only disclosed principal provided the Commission with false and misleading information. And number two, the Commission previously found that undisclosed principal Satwand Nit Singh lacks good character, honesty, and integrity. On January 12th of this year, the Commission staff served a notice to the applicant of these grounds to deny the application of Monarch Waste Solutions for a trade waste removal license. On February 6th, the applicant submitted a response to this notice. This response was a statement by the attorney to which no affidavit or other factual assertion under oath was appended. At this time, I will ask whether there is a motion to deny the Monarch Waste Solutions trade waste license application.
I will continue.
Thank you. Is there a second?
Also,
Thank you. All in favor?
Aye.
Did everyone say aye? I didn't.
I heard from Mr. Ryan and I didn't hear from Commissioner.
Okay, thank you so much. Let the record reflect that the vote is unanimous in favor of denying Monarch Waste's trade waste application. The second matter under consideration is Schaefer Demo and Environmental Services LLC, which had applied for a registration to operate a trade waste business solely engaged in the removal of waste materials resulting from building demolition, construction, alteration, and excavation. The staff has recommended denial of that registration application for the following independently sufficient grounds. The applicant's principal was convicted of crimes that directly relate to his honesty, integrity, and good character. And number two, the applicant provided the commission with false and misleading information in its application. On December 17, 2027, the commission's staff served a notice to the applicant of the grounds to deny the Class 2 registration application of Schaefer Demo and Environmental Services LLC to operate as a trade waste business. Schaefer Demo and Environmental Services did not submit a response to the commission's recommendation. At this time, I will ask whether there is a motion to deny the Schaefer Demo and Environmental Services registration application. Is there a second? All in favor?
Aye.
I agree. I believe I saw everyone say aye. Is that correct? Thank you so much. Let the record reflect that the vote to deny the registration is unanimous. The third and final matter under consideration today is that of Allendale LLC, which had applied for a registration to operate a wholesale business in the public wholesale market. The staff has recommended denial of that registration application for the following independently sufficient grounds. The applicant is the successor company to Bustev LLC, doing business as Early Morning Seafood, which the commission previously found to lack good character, honesty, and integrity. And two, the applicant's predecessor company has repeatedly engaged in unregistered activity. And lastly, the applicant provided false and misleading testimony to the commission. On November 24, 2025, the commission staff served a notice to the applicant of the grounds to deny the application of Allendale LLC for a registration as a wholesale business in a public wholesale market. Allendale LLC did not submit a response to the commission's recommendation. At this time, I will ask whether there is a motion to deny Allendale's registration application. Thank you. Is there a second? Thank you. All in favor? Aye.
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 Thank you. Let the record reflect that the vote is unanimous. Allendale LLC's registration application is denied. Thank you to all the members of the commission. I would like to note to those of you who are on video conference that we're going to need, please, for you to sign the signature in the place designated for your signature, for you to sign your signature denying the application. We have to get those uploaded today. So we would appreciate if you could send us those signatures by noon today. You can send them by email to Mr. Matt Finkel. You have his email. He's the one who's been communicating with you with respect to this meeting. So that would be terrific. And everybody else who's here, please sign the original so that we can update our records to reflect the denials. There's one more matter that I'd like to discuss with everyone. We would like to set out right now future commission dates so that we can have a going calendar. The next, we would like to meet approximately quarterly. So that means about 3 more meetings for the year. They're all going to be taking place. We suggest that they all take place on Tuesdays. And the dates we're recommending, which you'll get in placeholder calendar invites as well as an email. But I want to tell you early, May 19th, Tuesday, May 19th, September 15th, and December 8th for the rest of the year. And those other meetings, unless there's another state of emergency, those other meetings will be in person in compliance with the public meetings law. So we look forward, unless something else happens, we look forward to seeing you all in person at the next meetings. This concludes the matters. Is there a question? There being no questions, this concludes the matter before the commission. The next commission meeting will be on May 19th at 11 o'clock. We thank you to all the members and also to the members of the commission staff for all of their hard work putting together these denials recommendations. And we thank you to any members of the public who are hearing us today. We are off the record at 11:15. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sahara and Gabe.
And
And Matt, yes, Matt, always for putting it all together.
No, but he also did Allendale.
Oh, you did? Oh.
Allendale
perfect.
is Matt's.